This video I'm going to replace the pump on my Fimco 25-gallon sprayer with a Vevor pump that costs less than half of what the original pump costs. This pump is no longer working for me, so before replacing it, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't the switch and decided to connect directly to the pump, but it still didn't work. So the first thing I will do to remove the broken pump is unscrew the hose clamps and remove the hoses, which one clamp has rusted out, so I needed to use vice grips to loosen it up. Next, I will use a Phillips head bit to unscrew the 4 screws holding the pump to the sprayer, and then I can pull the pump off and out of the last hose. Now, after comparing the two pumps, I realize that I need to adjust the grommets so I can screw the new pump onto the sprayer, so that is the first thing that I will do. I will just push the grommet out, which shoots out on me, and then I'll reinsert it back into the hole that will match the pattern on the sprayer. And I need to make sure I push it in all the way so the pump won't be lopsided when I install it. So now that the grommets match, I'll take some vice grips to unscrew the connector that I need to reattach the hose, to which you can also use a crescent wrench that would be a more ideal tool. And with the new pump ready to be installed, I'll thread on the side with the filter that goes out of the tank and into the pump. Then I'll thread the other side on, but I forget to tighten it down, which you'll see later on. Next, I'll put the screws in through the grommets and tighten them down into the sprayer tank, and then attach the other hose and tighten both of the hose clamps on. Now I will plug the new pump into the line with the switch and battery connectors, connect the 12-volt batteries, and then turn the pump on to see if it works. And it does, so I'll check to see how much water is in the tank, and add some more so I can test the new pump to see how much water pressure I will get from it. But this is where I realize that I didn't tighten up the hose connector on the outlet side of the pump, so I have to loosen the hose clamp and thread the connector all the way on and tighten the clamp back up. Then I can turn the pump back on and rinse the weed killer off my hands with the garden hose while the pump pressurizes enough to test the pressure out. The new Vevor pump comes with a way to adjust the pressure, but I'm happy with how it was set at the factory, so I didn't feel the need to turn it up anymore. I honestly can't tell the difference between this pump and the other one when it comes to the pressure, so I am very happy with this purchase so far. Only time will tell how long it will last though, so I'll do another video when I have to replace it. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.